Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the SSD type and your PC ports so you avoid slow transfers or power issues. Plug the SSD into a USB 3.x or Thunderbolt port using the cable that matches the drive. Once done, listen for the connection sound and watch Device Manager or Finder. If the drive is new, you may need to initialize it in Disk Management. Choose GPT for modern systems. This ensures your PC recognizes the disk and prepares it for partitioning and formatting. Now you create partitions and format so the SSD performs well and stores data as you intend. In Windows, open Disk Management. In Mac OS, use Disk Utility. Select the drive, create a new volume, and pick a file system. Choose NTFS for Windows-only use or XFAT for both Windows and Mac OS. Once done, pick a sensible allocation size, typically default, unless you handle many small files. Formatting writes the file system structures, so make sure you selected the correct disk to avoid data loss. With the SSD formatted and mounted, you can copy files, install apps, or run backups. Just drag and drop or use backup software. Make sure to safely eject the drive before unplugging to avoid file corruption. On Windows, use the Safely Remove icon. If performance is erratic, update the SSD firmware and PC USB drivers, and if problems persist, swap the cable or port to isolate hardware faults. Key troubleshooting tip: run chkdsk or the drive utility to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.